Hey everyone, Aaron here with AirDNA with the next update to our research section. Potentially the most important factor when you're deciding where to invest for short-term rentals is revenue. How much revenue can you expect on an annual basis? Is the revenue trending up or down based on the annual numbers? How does seasonality come into play there? These are all factors that we're going to be able to answer on the new revenue page here in MarketMinder. First, we'll start with the suggestion cards. We're going to show you entire place, which is defined as any building or any structure where you have the whole unit. So this can include apartments, this can include houses, it can include unique stays. Those are all included in the entire place. We have house and apartment here. So we're going to give you the large number is going to show you the previous month's revenue, and then we'll give you the change from the month before to the most recent month. So what's it doing? Is it going up? Is it going down? How's it trending for all of these three categories? Additionally, on this line here, what you're going to see is the past 12 months of revenue. So you'll be able to see how revenue is trending. In this case, Aspen, as expected, it's quite seasonal. You can see that the seasonality in the winter in Aspen here is going to be your highest revenue earning. Next, we'll talk about our first chart, which is average revenue by percentile. So we default this to show the 50th and the 70th percentiles. This is going to give you your median range of revenue that you can expect. Now, if you wanted to see kind of what the top markets are doing or what the bottom rentals are doing in your market, you can always toggle those on and off. If you're more interested in looking at something very specific, you can turn those on and off here. Next, we have average revenue by bedroom. So revenue and bedrooms are very correlated. Bedrooms are important. You can bring in more people. More people, you can charge more, you get more revenue. So we give you the breakdown by average revenue by bedroom, and you can see how these different bedrooms are performing in your given market. And lastly, the last chart that we have is total market revenue. So what this is going to show you is what type of real estate type is, how each real estate type is performing in the market and what their market share is. You can see here in this case, apartments are doing really well. In this case, there's no unique stays in Aspen. Aspen's unique enough, I suppose. So there's no unique stays that month. And different months will have, you get your revenue potential here, or total market revenue, apologies. As was the same with our rates section, we have the ability to select monthly, to review the data on monthly, weekly, and a daily level. So on monthly, you're going to be able to see 5 years of history. This will show you how the market was doing pre-COVID, how it was during COVID, and how we're slowly coming out of COVID now. Weekly is going to show you 3 years of data, and you'll be able to see some of the same trends. And then daily is going to show you 365 days of data. And you can see here, seasonality plays a big role here in Aspen. As I said earlier, the winter time is the best time to come to Aspen. Additionally, we have the export button on all of these charts, so you decide which chart you'd like. Export the data in a user-friendly CSV format. Last thing that I'd like to highlight on this is the filters. Now these filters are going to be the same filters that we had on our rates page. Bedrooms, you'll be able to select bedrooms, price tiers, and all of our more options, which are real estate type, listing type, professionally managed, ratings, guests, and bathrooms. These are all very important factors, especially bathrooms. Bathrooms are becoming more and more important for short-term rentals. People want to have more bathrooms. Maybe in Aspen, one bathroom is enough for 2 bedrooms. Maybe there should be 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and you'll be able to look at the data and see what the market dictates based on where you're looking. Additionally, with filters, the next thing I'd like to highlight is if you decide that you want to look at only 1 to 3 bedrooms in revenue, and you take a look at that data, that filter is going to persist across the rates and the revenue page now. So you'll be able to see revenue and rates without having to update your filters. It's a nice update on our side. Additionally, if you're in MarketMinder and you're looking around and you leave to maybe go enjoy some skiing in Aspen and you want to come back and see how it's working, these filters will stay across sessions. So you can come into MarketMinder, you can set your filters, whatever your preferences are, you can look at them, make some decisions, come back later, and those filters will still be there for you to review. Take a look. Hope you enjoy this. Give us a shot if you have any questions. Have a great day.